Hi there and welcome to the product of the month. I am super excited to introduce you to a brand new version of the forecasting and budgeting for success product. It has been totally revamped. This is the first time we're actually announcing it, and I wanted to introduce you to the opportunities that you have to ensure great financial health. I have to say, finances are probably one of the biggest challenges people have. And it's because sometimes we don't forecast properly and we don't budget properly. So we have taken that process and totally made it easy for you by providing you with all the tools that you need to learn how to forecast for an entire year and how to introduce new growth opportunities in your business, as well as creating a budget for the entire year. So I'm super excited to let you know that there's a brand new program now, and it has 7 different parts in it that address every single financial challenge that you actually have with your business. So we are super proud and super excited. When you purchase this product, everything that you need is on the USB, or also you can access the medspa Biz University, where you have all the tools that you need. You're going to have a video recording with the presentation of me showing you a step-by-step process on how to gain financial health for your business. You will also get an audio. You also have the budget files. We have one blank file and one that's completely filled out as a sample. You also have a chart of accounts sample, as well as a business assessment that you can do for your business. So needless to say, it's a must-have product for your business. So if you are serious about gaining financial health, you have got to have this program in your success library. So we're doing a little special for you. Normally this product is $1,600. It is so well worth it, because if you just go to your accountant to have them do a budget for you, they're gonna charge you $500-600 an hour and you won't get it done. So what you pay for this will more than make up for anything that you need in the future to ensure financial health. And the reason I want you to really have this product is because it is so important for you to be able to manage your finances instead of your finances managing you. So would love for you to go ahead and check it out on the shop, or you can click the link below so you can see all the different tools that you will receive with it. And the special is saving $200 to be able to order it during the month of February. So go ahead, check it out, and begin a great financial path into success. Until next time, stay inspired.